Oh no, Mario, the bridge is closed.
Oh, which way should we go?
Oh, look at that, we got a flat tire.
Look, a repair garage. Alla pulled in there. Mamma mia, Luigi, we gotta peep that ride.
We need some coins, Mario. We have no money.
Evil at Tommy.
Mario, are you okay? Oh, look, it's a turtle.
What are you doing?
Oh.
Just kill my turtle!
Oh my God, I'm so sorry.
Hey, what's going on here?
Luigi, let's get out of here. Look, Luigi, it's the princess. Princess, you must come with us.
I'll suck your for $50.
Princess.
Do you accept the coins?
Come on, princess, we gotta go.
Oh no, that's my bit.
Oh no, I eat. What is this?
Blood, baby.
Oh, Mario, we gotta find a mushroom so you can heal.
I know just the guy.
This is some really good man.
Hi. Oh, wow, I feel really good. Look at the pretty cars.
Oh, jeez, it's the fuzz.
I feel so funny. Oh, look, Luigi, there's coins everywhere. I believe.
Mario, no.
Hi. Oh,
No, Mario.
Oh.
I think I should drive.
Freeze, put your hands in the air. Ah, he's got a wrench, take him down.
He's marinating in his own raccoon. You killed my brother, you sons of a bitches! You'll never take me alive, you mama!
Raccoon City sounds lovely.
You guys look more depressed than me, the famously depressed donkey.
Oh, Eeyore, it's horrible. Melancholy is gonna destroy us all.
Oh yeah, too bad they don't make S's a ride for stuffed animals.
No, the rogue planet Melancholian that's heading straight for Earth.
Well, that's just wonderful.
But we're all gonna die.
I do not mourn the 100-acre wood. All I've known here is the misery of a town that will not stay on, and a house that refuses to stand up. Let us embrace death together, my friends.
Oh, Papa, that's bleak.
Oh.
Oh dear. What happened?
It must have burnt up on entry. We're safe.
Oh, fuck me.
Thomas the Tank Engine was huffing and puffing when suddenly...
Bust my buffers. This isn't the way to the Whistling Woods.
Oh, it ain't, pal. Unless the mayor of Sodor gives me $100 million, we're gonna drive this dynamite right into Nepford Station.
We got a problem.
Get me Sir Tom hat. And you. You come back later.
Schedule, dear.
Okay, people, this is what we train for. So immature. Can we just all stay on track?
Let's just get this bastard. Move.
Hello, Percy. Hello, Thomas. Wonderful weather for hijacking, isn't it?
Shut your steamhole and get closer.
I love being very useful.
You'll never take me alive, son.
Miss me? Your blows are harmless. My internal organs. Just finish me, pussies.
Conductor Skyward, request pickup. Copy that, I'm on my way.
Harold the helicopter, you're a part of this?
That's right. I'm tired of taking a backseat to a bunch of steam trains. I can fly. So long, Tom.
What cruel god will give a train a face?
Pop those pistons, you steam-powered son of a bitch!
Tom, help me. I'll turn myself in, I swear. Just pull me up.
End of the line, head.
Thank you, everyone. Netford Station is safe.
You're quite welcome, man.
And how did you dispose of the dynamite?
And with no more public transportation, everyone on Sodor bought a Hummer.
Woo! I've got a lot of work to do. Toot-toot!
Why, somebody left this job half done. Can we fix it?
Yes, we can.
Ain't nobody finishing nothing.
I'm sorry. Who are you?
We're from the union, and we say you don't have the right equipment for this job.
We have all the equipment we need.
Really? You got a talking briefcase full of $100 bills over there?
No, but... Whoa, okay, that's it. Oh, whoa, hey!
Can I play too?
Sure, asshole. I hope you like smelling what you ate.
Spud! Don't forget to wear your safety goggles.
Oh, thanks, Bob.
Oh, rock and roll!
Now we'll dig these mama a grave, Scoob.
No problem, Bob.
Yeah, alright.
Hey, you, New Jersey smells like canned tuna. Can we go home?
Yes, we
can.
And I love you, cha-cha-cha.
Well, another successful day at Chuck E. Cheese, huh, Tim?
Oh, we get it. You own the place.
Hey, Pasquale, did you see that kid puke up his pepperoni? Pasquale? Pasquale!
I noticed him glitching. I thought he was pranking us. He is the funny one.
We've got to help him. Well, we've done everything we can. Everybody, run!